Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 3 GT, and let me share with you how to change the 3-button navigation into the gestures and the other way around. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find features. Then let's tap on System Navigation at the top, and as you can see here we've got our two options. So if you've got the gestures, you'd like to set the 3-button navigation, simply tap on this first option and your device will immediately apply the back button, recent and the home button. You can tap on this edit icon, settings, and reorder back button and the recents. You can decide whether you want to always show the navigation bar and whether you'd like to use circle to search. So basically this is how to set the 3-button navigation. If you'd like to set the gestures, just tap on this option here and you can customize it. Just go to the settings. So you can either display or hide the bottom indicator, so this line at the bottom of the screen. You can avoid miss operation by swipe gesture. You can use circle to search. However, be aware, it will be active only if you've got the display, the bottom indicator turned on. So be aware about that. Back sensitivity, you can change it. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures. So you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. So in order to get back to the previous page, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center. And if you can see this arrow, simply release the finger, and the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center and make sure that this motion is quick and short. So something like that. And if you'd like to open the recents, repeat the gesture. So from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.